Let's do the nose section first.
Hey ladies! Hi! Hi Tyler!
I'm not a lady.
Alright you guys, we're here at Premiere Anaheim. It's this awesome hair show down in SoCal. We're about to learn a lot of stuff, get some products, there's Tammy! The whole team is here, we're super excited.
That's where it would sit there.
Larger items only. If you do, place hard